It's raining. I mean, uh, so I saw lightning. Now it's heavy rain. I can't see. It's too dark. It's 1 a.m. And then trees wind. Now I have to wait till this lightning comes, but I might play short video. I do. Oh my god. It's wild. Just I was playing computer while it started raining and lightning just thundered louder and like it feels shaking, and now it's too close to thunder, dude. And I see a light blinking, dude. And then I want to see everyone to same thunder touch. Yeah. This might take a while. Then it was last 1 minute or 2 minutes ago. Guys, do you see that? Oh my god. I saw that I was looking at my computer and then I saw light. Oh god, this is making me heart attack, guys. I'm sorry.
Oh my god.
And my well is shaking. Feel me back. I don't want to go to sleep because if it's thunder again, I'm gonna be scared. Covering a bed. No, but I don't want it laying back because lightning could just shake it well. You know what? I'm gonna end this video. I hope not do this again. Rightly, it's about to 3 minutes. If you're new here, subscribe. And yeah, and this is late at night.
It's too dark. I can't see.
Right, it's 3 minutes. Just checking my computer. I saw the lightning. I saw lightning. Light do. Okay, guys, it's 3 minutes now. I have to end the video. I hope it's a part 2 or maybe not. Oh wait, should I say more heavy thunder? Had to part 2. So yes, I hope you enjoy this.